903 Yankee, fly straight out, I'll call you turn on course, runway 20 right, clear for takeoff.
903 Yankee, clear for takeoff, we'll wait for your call. We're on course. Hey Tower, this is November 6, Echo Mike. We are 13 miles to the west of the airfield, just now for full stop landing.
Number 636 Echo Mike, base tower, enter midfield, right downwind, runway 20 right.
Enter midfield, right downwind for 20 right. 6 Echo Mike.
20437, make left traffic, runway 20 right, clear for takeoff.
I'm Mike, left traffic, clear for takeoff, runway 20 right, 20437.
407 is going to be at the full stop. Crew check 407, runway 20 left, clear to land.
We're doing touch and go, crew check 407.
47 negative, runway 20 left, clear to land. Airport's going to be closed here.
Left, crew check 407.
6 Fox, expect 20 left.
It is not on fire, but it's pretty bad.
437, there's going to be no more pattern work. Extend your downwind, I'll call your base.
Alright, extend downwind, we'll call base. We'll go back to parking. 437.
6 Echo Mike, change your runway 20 left.
20 left, 6 Echo Mike.
Instrument 1 Echo Mike, I am so sorry, but we are apparently going to be closing the airport shortly. So if you can, do you want to turn around now? No, there was an accident not too long ago, and the ATM is shutting down the airport is shutting down the airport for the time being. I do not.
Then Sierra 7 Echo Sierra, I'm getting word the airport is closed. Runway 20 left, clear to land at your discretion.
Roger, 20 left, clear to land at our discretion. Will we be able to taxi back to Airbus, or do you suggest we divert?
6 Papa Golf, the airport is now closed due to a aircraft accident, unknown when it will be open again.